Excuse me, I just bought this new smartphone here yesterday, but there was some problem. Could you please help me out?
Sure. Can I see your bill first?
Here it is. This is my personal information. You can check them all to make sure that everything is matched up with each other.
I see. What is the problem, ma'am?
I could not fully charge the phone last night, and in the morning the battery just ran out so fast. I did not use it much, but I looked back at it and there were only 20% left. I don't know what happened to it. Moreover, there were some errors. But I want to fix the battery problem first.
Alright, I totally understand the issues. I will ask the technical department to support you with that. Please follow me. Hi, Mike. This smartphone is having a problem with the battery. Could you please help this customer?
Okay, give me your phone, please.
Here you are.
I will try to charge your phone again. Maybe your charging cord was broken. Broken? I just bought it yesterday. Did you drop your phone, ma'am? No, of course not. I kept it very carefully. I saw a small scratch in the left corner. Are you sure that your kid did not touch or damage your phone? No, I don't have a kid yet. The phone was with me the whole time. Wait a second. Why are you asking me that? You thought I broke my phone?
I did not say that. Those are the normal questions. Don't get me wrong.
I feel like you are trying to accuse me of destroying my phone. Why do you think that was because of your product?
Excuse me, ma'am. All of our products are of high quality. We have been opening the store for many years. Most of our customers said that they were satisfied with our services.
But not me. Now, can you please tell me what is happening to my phone?
I don't know yet. Your phone needs to stay here with us for a couple of days until we can fix the errors.
A couple of days? Are you kidding me? This is my only phone. I need to work and stay in contact with everybody.
So you can have your phone back and fix the problem yourself.
What the? How could you talk to the customer like that? Hey, I'd like to talk to your manager. Where is he?
Fine, whatever you want. What is happening, ma'am? Is everything okay?
No, it is not okay at all. Your co-workers will be rude to me. I need to talk to your managers. Please help me to call him.
I am sorry to hear that, ma'am. But is there any other way that we can help you? I don't want to make it complicated.
Are you a manager?
No, I am in the customer service department.
All right, I can let it go if your colleagues apologize to me.
Mike, please say sorry to the customer. What happened to you recently? Why do I have to apologize to that ugly woman? I did nothing wrong.
What? Are you body shaming me?
No, it's just a misunderstanding. Mike,
Please, are you crazy? Fine, sorry. Are you happy now?
No, I don't accept your attitude. I will talk to your managers. If he does not show up, I will talk to the Consumer Protection Organization. Hurry, please. You are wasting my time. I do not have all day. Good morning, ma'am. What can I do to assist you? Hi, your employees were disrespectful to me. I want you to do something about that. He did? Oh no, what were happening? Could you please tell me the whole story? My phone was in trouble this morning, although I just bought it yesterday. I brought the phone here to check for issues, and your technician was trying to blame it on me that I broke the phone myself. He talked in a very irresponsible way. Really? Is that true, Mike? Did you do that to the customer?
I saw a scratch on the corner of the phone. So, I just asked her if she dropped the phone herself. I did not accuse her of anything. She was just overacting. It is not over yet. After that, I asked him what he could do to fix the problem. He said he would keep my phone for a couple of days. But I need my phone for work. It would be very inconvenient for me if I don't have a phone by my side.
I totally agree with you.
Then can you guess what happened next? He asked me to fix the phone by myself. That was shocking. I could not imagine this happening to me.
Mike, did you say that?
No, I did not. I just want to have some time to really know what is happening with the phone. I said the phone would need to stay here for a couple of hours, not many days.
What? You are a liar.
Can you check your camera, please?
He really talked to me in an inappropriate way. He even called me ugly. That's so rude. Unfortunately, our camera was just broken 2 days ago, and we were trying to install a new one.
So, there's nothing to prove that he was lying?
I think it is not a big deal. How about we give you a new phone and give you a voucher for the next payment at our store?
You just said it is not a big deal? How isn't it a big deal? It really matters. What kind of manager are you?
I am really sorry that you did not have a good experience at our store, but I try my best to pay it back to you.
You did not tell him to apologize to me. I don't want your voucher. I want to be respectful.
Mike, you know what to do already. Say it out.
No, that was not my fault. I will not say sorry for the thing that I didn't do. If you can prove me wrong, more than what you can say. Otherwise, forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it.
Oh my goodness. It's incredible.
You know what? You messed with the wrong person. I am a lawyer. I am suing you. Wait for it. I'm going to destroy you and this stinky store. Goodbye.
Oh no. You got it in trouble, Mike. You are fired. Get out of my sight.